Hey guys, it's your girl London and I am back with another video. And in today's video, I'll be doing a get ready with me. I am trying out a new restaurant today. So first thing first, your girl gotta do her makeup. That's just on period. So I'm gonna be trying out some new products in this video, y'all. So let's get started. All of a sudden I'm getting camera shy. I don't know why. Why is I'm getting shy, y'all? Okay, y'all, so first things first. I already went in with my vitamin E oil because I did my skincare today, this morning. So we're now just gonna go ahead and prep our face. Y'all already know I love the the facial spray with aloe. This is the coconut water, and I got this from TJ Maxx. You can get it from Ulta as well, Sephora, Target, should I say Target? But yeah, go ahead and get you some. And then y'all know I already have my fan. I'm gonna do 2 pumps of this, or 2 sprays of this. I don't know, was that 3 or 2? feel like the first one didn't count because I don't know where I sprayed that at, but it did not feel like it got on my face. It got on my bonnet. I'm gonna start doing my brows, just like putting the gel on there so that it's already like in place when it's time for me to actually do my concealer. Y'all, I haven't done nothing to my brows in a minute, so they're giving cave woman. But we're gonna go ahead with our tweezers and just pluck the hair that is clearly not supposed to be right there. And I don't want my brows to be looking too bushy under here. That's why I'm plucking it, because for some reason my brows grow so thick everywhere else but where they need to grow, which is right here. They don't want to do that though. But if you know something that can help you girls, end tip of the brow grow, let me know so I can try it. I desperately need it. I needed it like last year. Y'all, and when I arch my brows, I kind of just go in and boom. That's it. I ain't trying to do all of the extra stuff. It's like, no. Cause baby, as soon as you patch it up, baby, it's just gonna be patchy. But I mean, you could fill it in, but I'm not willing to take those type of risks today. So no. If I ain't had nowhere to go, I would try it, but I got somewhere to be. And I ain't trying to mess my face up today. We're not giving trial and error in this video. We're just gonna stick with what we know at this time. But behind closed doors, when I go in the bathroom, I might try to get that perfect how I want it. But like I said, y'all already know from my past videos that sis is not the best eyebrow archer person, okay? And I don't usually get my brows done anymore ever since the lady that did my brows, she burned my underbrow right here. So I have like this patch or burn mark that I can't get rid of. I've been putting vitamin E oil on it and it's still there. So I'm just like traumatized with the whole waxing process. I'm going in with my Milk mascara. Got this from Ulta, love it. Okay, so this is a new primer that I purchased. This is the Revlon Primer Plus, and it's like a photo ready primer, so I really like that. It says it's infused with lemon extract and vitamin E and C, which is good. So we're gonna do maybe 2 pump. No, we'll do 1 pump of this. This is the primer. And this is my 3rd time, I wanna say, wearing this primer. Absolutely love it. Smells like citrus, or like it says, what is it? Lemon. Definitely smell it. Don't smell like chemical at all. It actually gives me like a bronzing type of effect, I guess you could say, which I really like because it just makes my skin look very glowy. So I'm sure that's probably what they mean about the photo ready part. Goes on very, very nice. Very smooth. I want to make sure everything is like blended in, so there's like no type of spots or parts where it's super light, because sometimes that happens when you don't blend it in or mix it in really good. You have like a patchy part, but I don't want that. So yeah, as you can see, like I said, it's very glowy. it's like not any glitter in there, but it looks just very glowy. Like, I feel like you could put this on and then you could do some Fenty on top, little concealer, good to go, okay? Very light, like very, very light. I'm gonna go in with my coconut water again. Y'all know I love to hydrate my face, so we're going in that. I feel like that primer also gives like an even tone, so if you do have hyperpigmentation, try it out, please, and let me know what you think. This was only $5.99 at TJ Maxx, so. Okay guys, so next I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's concealer, and this is in the shade 13. And I'm just gonna, like I said, brighten up my under eye. I use this on my brows, above my nose, and on my chin, okay? And this is just for the highlight, and it's full coverage, just FYI. It's giving real full coverage, not no fake, okay? So don't play. Don't play with it, okay? For my brows, y'all know I like to kind of hold it up a bit and then go in. All right, so I'm going in with my regular eyebrow pencil in the color brown, and I am gonna put some on the edges or the end tip of my brows, like that. And then I'm gonna use my brush to brush my hairs kind of upward. I'm gonna take that, the Lift and Snatch. This is the NYX. Love this. This is like a brow tint, and it just kind of, you know, puts in like fake hairs basically to make your brows look a little fuller. So I'm just gonna do that like in the front. Make sure you kind of got a steady hand, because honey, this thing gonna go anywhere, and then you're gonna be having a big old patch of ink. So just make sure your hands are not shaky. I'm gonna blend out my concealer using my beauty blender. And for that concealer, you definitely want to make sure it dries down. I just need to make sure everything is kind of like blended together with my foundation. So going back in with that big brush. So yeah, I forgot that I needed my translucent powder. So yeah, go ahead and take my little cute fluffy applicator. I'm going in with the MAC lip pencil in the color chestnut. It's my favorite one, y'all. It goes on like a butter. I just feel like this color complements our skin complexion, so it's my favorite. Okay, y'all, so I will be back. I'm gonna put my lashes on off camera, then I'm gonna take my hair down, and I'll show you guys the finished look. So stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm back. I have my hair curled. I hope you guys like it. I am gonna go in now with my bronzer, and this is the Black Radiance. You can get this at Walmart. You can get it at Target, Ulta. Love this bronzer. I've been using it for years. I've been using it for a minute, y'all. And this is just to kind of just put some color, warmth back into your face. As far as my curls, y'all, if y'all want a whole video on it, just let me know in the comments. I have no problem with doing a hair video for you guys. I just tried these curls for the first time, and I love the way they look. Like, they're very cute. It's giving pinup curls. So yeah, I love that. Okay guys, this is the final look of this Get Ready With Me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what y'all think about my hair. I went lighter from my last video if you watched that, and I love the outcome. I really like the dark roots. I've always been a dark root type of girl with the blonde tips. But now that I finally got the color, it's just like, what's next for your girl? I'll tell y'all later. But like always, don't forget to treasure your family, your time, and most importantly, treasure yourself. Peace.